we are organizing all Goa poster competition. This is fire safety awareness program. So there are two groups. One group is age between 7 to 10 and group 2 11 to 14. So main the group 1 topic was flame of harmony and distraction, and group 2 fire safety champions protect, prevent and repair. So this is all regarding fire prevention big program, and we are doing awareness program. This is for jurisdiction of Margao Fire Station. Okay, schools of Margao Fire Station. Jurisdiction.
Any prizes?
The prizes, see, this will be giving for direction, for this thing. And after that, from there, you will get all the information. If we are getting the prizes from here of this jurisdiction, we will get information from Penjim. We will be submitting this all papers to Penjim, this is headquarters.